Oh yeah, finally, welcome back to Plus T. Just here jamming the game by myself, chilling out, having some hot ones. Oh, finally, there it is. There's the ignition. Yes. There it is, finally. Yeah, finally, a bit of a late video, but breathers in here. Couldn't find any leaks, finally. Need to turn it on and then have a tick, but yeah, I'm gonna show you this trick in the morning for Falcons, and then yeah, with the ignition broke at the shop for my missus, fun, and yeah, she got trapped at the thing, so we had to tow it back. Well, there it is, funny. Couple claps standing and I just killed somebody. Kill this one up. Nice one standing. Taking it, funny. Yes. Whaanau. Oh, magic whaanau. Check that out. You got me funny look good on. Just only one paper van. Name. Japanese A-class. Ooh. It's a good one, got about 10K. A-class family. Okay, generate family. Esse foi no choro, hein? Oh, nice. True funny. It's a bit of an update. I'm in the Falcon. Yeah, see, look, that's what happened last night. Snap funny. Fell out of the back as well. All over here. Got all the pieces in it down on the ground. Here it is. The copper bloody thingy-majig. Turns in the barrel and it's got a spring in. It goes connects with certain contacts when you spin it. But yeah, I found 12 volt. Constant 12 volt is this yellow wire right here, finally, on this plug. Constant 12 volt. And I just hooked up a bit of a MacGyver, but this is a ignition source wire. Right here, finally, the green and red. This one right here, the green and red, I just hooked a wire to that. And I made a bit of a thing right here so I can plug it into the 12 volt. And this is gonna be how I start the car. Just gonna touch that on the blue and red. This one right here. This one right here at the edge. So it should start finally. Yeah. Check it out finally. Plug this in. See, we got power. There it is, on it. But you have to have the keys anyway, finally. So don't worry about people stealing your car or whatever. Yeah, just turn it on like that. And if we touch this down here, finally, it should start. Oh, well, finally, there it is. There's the ignition. And I got a thicker wire on here. There it is, finally. You still have to have the key, finally, but yeah, there it is. Ready? Just gonna touch that down there. Blue and red wire, finally. There it is. Just like that, finally, she's on. So like hot wire. Illegal. It's the update, finally. The hot wire works a charm, but there's no power windows in. So I gotta figure out how to wind down my windows because she's hot. You finally living night. So I'm a little bit of a late. Yeah, true, finally. Even though we're illegal, still gotta have the legal car for the final. Yeah. Falcon's a bit of a 3.2 V6 finally. Bit of a red there. Wow, the old valve bouncer. She's beautiful. Yeah, the bird just popping up all his things for wafts. That's another tricky thing that nobody always remembers, eh? Cleaning, filling up your window washing bottle. Well, you find it, it's lucky man. Legal! Hee-hee! Legal! Legal! Is that what you want?